All right, what is up YouTube? This is going to be a quick video for 5 reasons to buy a BMW M5. This is my 2013 BMW M5 F10, and here we go, 5 reasons why you should buy one of these bad boys. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I think the #1 reason to buy a BMW M5 is because it's got a twin turbo V8. I mean, what else could you want? It's like 550, 600 horsepower from the factory. BMW goes super conservative with these tunes from the factory. I'm telling you, you put a downpipe, you put a tune on this car, and you're going to be beating at least some 200 horsepower Priuses. I promise you. No questions asked. #2 reason to buy a BMW M5 is because these cars handle so nicely. They're a 4,400 pound luxury sedan, but with the McPherson strut coilover dampeners, I mean, this thing rides so nicely. I've got the C6 Corvette at home, and let me tell you, this M5, it gives it a run for its money. I would say without a doubt the #3 reason to buy a BMW M5 is because the interior on this thing is just so luxurious. The leather seats, it's got seat warmers, some of them have seat massagers, this one does not. Either way, these things are super nice, super roomy, a huge trunk. You can put whatever you're into, magazines or CD players, whatever kind of hobbies you've got. This car has all the room. You can load up a bunch of friends, you can go out to Fire Festival. I mean, you can do whatever in this car. It's so nice, so luxurious, and it still will gap a lot of cars on the road today. And I think the 4th reason that you should buy a BMW M5 is just because of the sleek design. These cars, it's timeless. This car is 11 years old. It's a 4-door sedan, but it's so nice. You throw a little spoiler on these, throw a chin spoiler on the front, you are in business. The 5th and final reason to buy a BMW M5 is because these cars just make absolutely great daily drivers. I mean, they're a luxurious car, all kinds of room, and they're super fast. I mean, what else could you want from a daily? Great cars, so much fun. Appreciate you guys watching this video. That's 5 reasons to buy a BMW M5.